Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to customize dynamic island on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the Play Store on your smartphone. Now from here, just search dynamic island. Now from here, just scroll down and install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to install the app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now just tap on next, and from here just tap on selected apps, and on the selected apps section just tap on all, and once you have done that just go back and tap on notification access, and from here just tap on dynamic spot. Now just enable allow notification access. Now from here just scroll down and tap on allow. Now from here just tap on draw on screen and tap on allow. Now tap on draw on screen one more time and tap on next. Now just tap on dynamic spot and enable the dynamic spot toggle. Now just tap on allow. And once you have done that, just tap on done. Now from here, just tap on the X icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now just tap on the play button at the upper right corner on the display. Now just tap on allow. Now just tap on the play button one more time. Now as you can see, this is the preview of the dynamic island. Now let's customize the dynamic island on our smartphone. Now if you tap on appearance, now from here if you scroll down, you can change the color of the dynamic island. Now as you can see, it is currently on black, but you can change it to any color you like, just like that. But I will select black because it blends with the selfie camera on the smartphone, just like that. And once you have done that, just go back, and from here just tap on position. Now from here just scroll down, and from here you can change the vertical size of the dynamic island, just like that. And if you scroll down, you can change the horizontal size of the dynamic island, just like that. Now here you can change the vertical position of the dynamic island, just like that. And from here you can change the horizontal position of the dynamic island. And this is how you can customize the dynamic island on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.